Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be solving question number 8 from chapter 3. So it says that write the program to print the first n Fibonacci numbers where n is taken as input from the user. So we need an input as usual, so I imported the scanner class and I made use of it. So I'm going to prompt the user to enter a number which is an integer. So getting the number, and I'm going to store that number in a variable as usual. So integer number is equal to dot next int. Okay, so we need two variables. Let me call it num1 and num2. So int, let me say first num. So this is the first num, and I need second num as well. So second num is just as second number. Now the initial value, the first number is 0, so first num is equal to 0 and second num is equal to 1. So these are the numbers. Okay, now I'm going to print to the user that, okay, let me have to use the for loop first. So let me use for. The initial value is 1, so int I is equal to 1. Terminate. So while I is less than equal, or while I is less than or equal to the number being inputted, so let me say I is less than or equal to number. We keep on incrementing the number by 1. So I'm going to print the first number, which is 0. So I'm going to print so it's going to be first. Let's go. Plus, let me add space, and I print all of them in one line. And I need the next number. So how am I going to get the next number? The next number is just the summation of the first number and then the second number. Okay, so int next underscore number should be equal to, what is this? First number plus second number. So I'm done. And our first number should be equal to second number. Okay, and the second number should be equal to the third number should be equal to the second number. So go to next number. So I think this is it. Now I have to print to the user. Let me see. Cancel the first. What does the question say? The first N Fibonacci number. So first N. Is this number. So this number. I think that's it. So it says print the first N Fibonacci numbers. I think that's it. So let me run the program and see whether it will work or not. So let's enter 3. What the hell? I think I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, Control X. This one shouldn't be here. This one should be out of the loop because it keeps on. So it should be out of the loop. Yeah. It's supposed to be out of the loop because I only need it one time. I don't need it multiple times. So let me enter 3. First N Fibonacci number is we have the first oh god, so this Control X shouldn't be here. So this should be here, and let me do some modification to it. Okay, so the first 3 Fibonacci numbers let me use so then it's going to be this loop. So after that, after this statement, then the loop will work. I think that's it. So let me run it. So enter number 3. So the first 3 Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1, and 1. I want all of them to be in one line. So let me remove this print. And let me leave some spaces here. Those are numbers. I don't want them to be in the same line. And that's it. So let me the 3. Okay, so the first 3 Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1. So this is by default, the 0 and 1. Then the third number is going to be 0 plus this one, then it's going to get 1. So when we have 4, we are supposed to have 4 values, and let me use 4 and see. We get 4 values, not 4 numbers. Okay, just 4 values. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first number 0 and 1 by default, so every number has this 0 and 1. Then you add the next number, which is the test number, is going to be the preceding two, so it's going to be 0 plus this one, then you get 1. And this fourth number is going to be 1 plus 1, which is 2. So you see that if you add 5, then it's going to be 1 plus 2, you're going to get 3. So let me use 5. You see, it's like this. Then when you use 6, it's going to be 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, you are going to get 5. So there's no way that you're going to get 4. So let me use 6. You see, so 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, like that. So this is the Fibonacci series, okay? And this is the code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.